Hey, what's up guys? Back in Maui. Today we're heading to Haleakala National Park. We're going to be hiking the sliding SANDS trail to the Halemau'u Trail.
They won't let you in the park before 7 o'clock. You have to have permits and they won't let anybody in until 7 a.m. Okay guys, so I just arrived at the Halemau'u Trailhead. I'm parking here and I'm gonna go attempt to hitchhike. That way I can start on the sliding SANDS trail, make my way down to the crater and come back up the Halemau'u Trail. And then end right there at my Jeep. That way I can get back home. So we'll see how much luck I can get. Okay, so if you're gonna be hitchhiking here, cross the road and you're gonna go down to the pullout that's below the trailhead. Okay, so here's the pullout. There's the visitor center right down there. Here, I wait. I'm hoping I get to ride soon. No luck. So these lovely ladies were nice enough to pick me up.
We read all about the hitchhikers. Yeah.
I told them thanks for picking me up because I look so inviting. You know, it is possible. Okay, so we're finally getting started at the sliding SANDS trailhead. I'm heading down to the Halemau'u Trailhead, which is 11.2 miles away. So let's get it going. Kind of like walking on the moon, or what I would think it'd be like. So it's funny, whenever you come up on hikers, you just see a big old dust trail flying up in the air. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's just dry and dusty. That's looking back up. I mean, this first part, I could see how it's misleading for those that want to come down here just for a short day hike. Easy coming down. It would absolutely suck climbing up out of this. Like the moon. You got the color changing sand. But what's cool is right down there, it's all the most recent lava flow. And now it's starting to look like we're on a volcano, which is pretty sweet. So if I'm not mistaken, continue down this trail right here. It's going to take a left. I believe I'm going to be hiking up the Halemau'u Trail, which is kind of where that outcropping is. That down there looks incredible. Gnarly looking fresh lava. It's pretty amazing. You can just tell where the lava has been flowing down like a river. River swords. Check out these silver swords. That's amazing. So we've made it to the Halemau'u Trail turnoff here, 3.5 miles. So we're at the crater floor right now. We've come down all that. I don't think you can even see this from the top. This is all cool.
From the top, it kind of looks like, I was like, oh, is that like a river?
Yeah, yeah. So we came up from up there. You can see the zigzags all the way down. We're, what, maybe 5 miles in?
We can tell ourselves that.
Something like that. I thought she said 4.4.
I think it was 4.
It's hot down here though. Oh my gosh. See where in the world we are. That's still incredible. So this is Alexis.
Hi.
This is Stacy. Made friends on the trail. I'm gonna give them a ride back up to the summit or the visitor center. So I don't have to hitchhike. And it's nice to have company. So out here by ourselves. Yeah. Going that way. Okay. Another mile from here, we're gonna be in green. Oh, you can see the cabin. See the cabin. Starting to get back into the green area now. You can see the Holua Cabin. It's a backcountry cabin that you can get reservations for. Got some water that you'd have to filter, and then a restroom there. So we're taking a little break at Holua Cabin. You know, for the restrooms, there's toilet paper and everything is stocked up. So it's a good thing to have out here in the backcountry. So we're 3.9 miles heading up the Halemau'u Trail. Kind of going into the clouds again. So the cabin is a perfect place to stop, take a break, drink some Gatorade, kind of refuel the climb out. It's just such a cool experience because you go from walking on Mars to being back in green. It's just such a unique trail. Crazy. All right, it's getting closer to the switchbacks. It's like we're right on the edge of the earth. The clouds are coming in. You can start to feel the cool air and the moisture. It's starting to feel really good. So crazy. Now we're in just like in this open field. Kind of eye level with the clouds. So we're making it up here to the gate. Clouds are rolling in, that cool breeze feels great. Get in there. Whoops, there's a rock.
Maybe this is like dead. Turn green.
Climbing up quickly. So heading up these switchbacks here. Pretty beautiful shot. You can see the cabin straight ahead right there. It's about a mile and a half away. We got the clouds rolling in here. See the switchbacks. All right, so this is the first view down into the valley. So ridiculously pretty. T-Rex back there, it was pretty sweet. Gotta watch out for those. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I see a hiker coming in right here. But yeah, check out all the switchbacks. Switchbacks themselves aren't too bad, but the sun sucks right now. We've been in the sun since 8 o'clock this morning. Luckily we got these clouds coming in, kind of cool us off a little bit. It's starting to feel a lot better, but man, the sun is brutal up here. And we've been cruising up these switchbacks. Heat's starting to eat to me, but it's freezing. They said we're about 25. I can't even talk, I'm so exhausted. 25 minutes away. Ready to get out of the sun. The sun is beating me. Switchbacks aren't too bad. I've done worse, but the lack of shade and the heat is really starting to work. Oh my gosh, this is cool. There's the clouds. Like a lot of people, I underestimated this trail. It's tough. I mean, just for the lack of shade, so much sun exposure. But views like this, it's worth it. Oh, it's amazing.
I mean, windy. It kind of feels good.
Yeah. Just up in the clouds here. Oh yeah. Man, that's so gnarly. Beautiful. Got the drop off on both sides here. So we came up from that way. Yeah. Raptor over there around that corner there. Raptors have been real nice. Haven't been very dangerous today.
It's alright.
Not bad. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh, that breeze feels nice. Just ran out of my 3 liters. I still got a half a liter left. Gatorade. I started the trail with 3 liters of water and 1 liter of Gatorade. So I've drank my 3 liters and I have half a liter of Gatorade left. So I'd say drink a lot of water like I do. Bring at least 4 liters. So 0.7 miles away. All right, so we're in the home stretch. See cars right there in the distance. I'm not sure if that's the trailhead or what we're looking at. We made it back. Halemau'u. Oh, that kicks my butt. Okay, so it looks like we did just over 12 miles. Anyways, butt kicker of a hike.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, hit that like and subscribe button.